Sa isang labang inaabangan ng buong mundo, hinarap ni Rukia Anpo ang alamat ng boxing na si Manny Pacquiao. Si Manny Pacquiao, isang ikona ng boxing at dating kampiyon sa iba't ibang timbang, ay pumasok sa ring na dala ang kanyang bilis at kakayahan. Sa kabilang banda, si Rukia Anpo, isang racing star na kilala sa kanyang walang humpay na estilo at malalakas na suntok, ay handang patunayan ang kanyang sarili laban sa pinakamahusay. Habang tumunog ang kampana, puno ng pananabik at tensyon ang paligid, naghahanda para sa isang di malilimutang labanan. Ang labansa, simula pa lang, ipinakita ni Pacquiao ang kanyang tanyag na footwork at bilis, sumasaksak ng mabilis at tumatama ng mga jab na ikinagulat ni Anpo.
Truly a murderer's row.
Defeated Juan Manuel Marquez, had member fight of all time against Floyd Money Mayweather. Defeated 8th Division World Champion Manny goes right after DKU. DK with a straight left. Matt smiles at him.
Now he has a tremendous advantage, regardless of the size advantage from DK.
Manny attacks the body of DKU and then high knees trying to engage in them. Round number 2, this one is scheduled for 6. And, DKU, he threw a couple of jabs and he said that he thinks that
it's a little difficult to get inside against a fighter that's so much taller.
Since August of last year, his popularity is the same, if not has increased, as he is absolutely beloved. 44 on December 17th. There was a straight left that missed. Good movement by DKU.
Good punch by Manny.
Manny lands second frame. How he's feeling. He probably understood that he's got to come in heavier because of the fact that DKU was going to win.
No, he's not the same age. You never know.
Yeah, and I think Manny can really, he knows he can explode in. I think he's kind of just taking his time with it because he knows eventually he's going to get close to DK no matter what.
Yeah, he's not looking to unload that. Take a look at some of the action here from
right here we see Manny just missed that overhand left.
As we enter into the third round.
He's a well-respected fighter.
But for DKU, what a learning experience this is for him to be able to have the biggest moment of his career. There's a left there by Yu. He threw something. That was probably... We'll see if Manny decides to tag him and he grips the body. Boy, you don't see that every day.
Still blinding fast.
DK's so nice. He's so polite.
Typically, Manny's the nice one inside the ring. I think DK may have him beat.
Right, who's
the third, but let's not forget, it is still prize fighting. And they both are trying to inflict some damage. Happy holidays to all of you and your families. The return of the great Pacquiao against DKU. Couple of lefts hammering away upon DKU and
blinding fast to the head. It's crazy.
Good right hook up top by Manny.
Let's go.
Up the pace, as you pointed out, Sanisa. Lefts there.
We're trying to keep our composure.
Yeah.
We're broadcasting right now.
Right.
And he looks he's very tired. And of course, here we have the replay here. Manny getting caught with the left there coming in, but Manny returns it by digging to the body and pushing DK back.
Ang bawat malinis na tama ay pinalakpakan ng mga manonood na para bang bumabalik ang mga dating tagumpay ni Pacquiao. Ngunit hindi na tinag si Anpo sa kanyang kalaban. Tinanggap niya ang mga suntok at bumawi ng may matinding determinasyon.
I think it's clear that if Manny
rounds go on, DK's getting more and more winded, and
that right hook upstairs by Manny Pacquiao, and you really wonder if Manny ended in grand fashion. Manny looking to swarm one.
You can train for any other sport. You could train for martial arts as well and think that you're in great condition, but you have to buy the boxing rules.
Oh, there's a right hook.
Rules and boxing technique, and having to stick to that is exhausting.
Look at that. Manny Pacquiao coming into your living room.
Being in shape. It's a totally different thing.
Yes.
Manny and DKU goes down, and they're ruling it trying to prolongate some time. And there is, and down goes DKU. This one is... Did he get up? I'm trying to see.
He called it off, and then DK wanted to keep going.
Sa bawat paglipas ng round, kitang-kita na may estratehiya si Anpo. Habang nagpapatuloy ang laban, nagsimulang mag-adjust si Anpo sa estilo ni Pacquiao. Natuto siyang tantiyahin ang galaw nito, nakahanap ng mga pagkakataon, at nagpakawala ng malalakas na counter punches. Sa bawat round, lumalaki ang kumpiyansa ni Anpo at nagiging mas mabagsik ang kanyang mga kombinasyon. Si Pacquiao, sa kabila ng kanyang karanasan at talino sa laban, ay tila nahihirapan sa tindi ng mas batang boksingero. Sa ika-6 na round, nagkaroon ng mahalagang sandali.
We'll see if that martial arts and the fans certainly make
Circles, that is hilarious.
Well, DK's got to do something, and he's getting it's a right hook followed by a straight left. It's moment possibly being stopped. Manny Pacquiao hammered away
Beast
upon DKU, and he warns Manny That'll extend round number 5. And now Manny Pacquiao going right after DKU. DKU could barely finish this off.
He wants the ref out of the way.
There's a right followed by a left from Manny Pacquiao. And now they are rest of the 4th, stayed down, and just wants to go the distance.
Speaking of the clock, what? Oh, there it is.
Got memories, man. I'm watching his fights going on. It's crazy.
Here's some of the action from the 5th.
He did the alley stuff.
DK trying very hard to stay in the fight, but
Tumama si Anpo ng isang malakas na kaliwa na ikinapaatras ni Pacquiao.
This is why he's
Napasinghap ang mga manonood habang pilit na binabalik ni Pacquiao ang kanyang balanse.
Well, I think the
Nagpatuloy ang
question
matinding
is, will
palitan ng
by the
suntok
great
at
Manny
sinamantala ni
Pacquiao,
Anpo
Boy
ang
Fernandez
pagkakataon.
talking
Nagpakawala
with
ng
Manny
serye ng mga
Gold
suntok
seconds
na
as
nagpahina
DKU
kay
trying
Pacquiao
to
sa
find
ika-8
a way to
round
survive.
habang unti-unting
Will Manny
nawawala ang
Pacquiao
laban
do
sa
so?
kanyang mga kamay.
They are
Sinubukan ni
wrestling
Pacquiao na bumawi, ipinakita ang kanyang tanyag na tatag.
DKU
doing anything to
Ngunit walang humpay si Anpo. Ipinakita niya ang kanyang tibay. Epektibong ginamit ang ring upang iwasan ang mga atake ni Pacquiao, habang tumatama ng mga precision shots na tila nagpalamlam sa momentum ng alamat na Pilipino. Ang konklusyon pagkatapos ng huling kampana.
Time has been called. Now DK trying to give one last push. Oh, big right
Great
hook
punch.
upstairs by Manny Pacquiao. Pacquiao showing his technical superiority and glimpses at times of his career. Down goes DKU again. Well, in the words of Gloria Gaynor,
Ang desisyon ng mga hurado ay nagbigay ng pagkabigla sa buong arena. Si Rukia Anpo ay idineklarang panalo sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision, isang makasaysayang sandali sa kasaysayan ng boxing. Si Manny Pacquiao, ang dating di matalong kampiyon, ay hinarap ang katotohanan ng pagkatalo ng may biyaya. Kinilala ang galing at puso ni Anpo sa laban. Ang laban ay hindi lamang nagpakita ng pag-usbong ni Anpo bilang isang malaking puwersa sa boxing kundi nagsilbi ring paalala sa hindi maiiwasang pagbabago sa mundo ng sports. Si Manny Pacquiao, isang boksingerong may gintong pamana, ay nagpatunay na kahit ang mga alamat ay kailangang magpasa ng sulo, habang pumalakpak ang mga tao para sa dalawang boksingero, malinaw na nakatanggap ang mundo ng boxing ng bagong bituin. Ang tagumpay ni Rukia Anpo ay hindi lamang personal na tagumpay kundi isang sandaling nagbigay inspirasyon sa mga susunod na henerasyon ng mga boksingero, nagpapaalala na sa pamamagitan ng determinasyon at tapang, lahat ay posible.